Woo! Alright, I am hyped. I'm hyped. I've not filmed a video for this channel in a minute. My name's Christian. If you're new to the channel, welcome to Sneaker Talk 365. This is a very exclusive club where we scratch our nose at the start of every single video. On a serious note though, welcome to the channel. On this channel you guys can expect a ton of sneaker reviews, sneaker content like sneaker rotations and hauls and all that kind of good stuff. The stuff you guys probably love on my main channel, Sneaker Talk, but we're gonna aim for a daily frequency here with a focus on sneaker reviews. So today we actually have a review on a pair of sneakers I picked up at a Nike outlet for more than half price, the Air Max 98 in the black Anthracite. I can't even say that damn word, yo. Black and Anthracite. That's the name of it. Black and Anthracite. So the Air Max 98 SE, this particular colorway of the shoe, actually released for a retail price of $170 US or 230 Canadian dollars. Now I got these sneakers for a steal at the Nike outlet. If you guys saw my recent Nike outlet video on this channel where I showed you guys the top 10 sneakers at the Winnipeg Nike outlet, you would know that I picked these sneakers up for $84 US or 112 Canadian, which is more than half price. Now in my opinion, I want to say the Air Max 98 is definitely one of the more underrated sneakers when it comes to the Air Max line. It doesn't get as much love as a sneaker like the Air Max 90, the Air Max 1s, or the 95s, or the 97s. It's one of the ones that are just overlooked for the most part. So you might be able to find some pretty cool colorways at your local Nike outlet or online as they go on sale pretty frequently. Now personally, I was not a huge fan of the Air Max 98 when I originally saw my eyes on it, but then when I saw this colorway of the shoe, I was like, this is actually a really cool sneaker. Now typically they have a lot of loud colorways when it comes to this shoe, but this is definitely one of the more toned down versions of the sneaker, opting for like 50 shades of gray. So if you're into kinky sneakers like this that you want to wear on the daily, it might be something you might want to try out. With that said, let me bring these sneakers up close and show you guys some of the details about what makes the sneaker really cool, and then I'll tell you guys about the comfort and sizing information right after. So the Air Max 98 actually has a ton of small details inside of this shoe. We have things like the small little stitched in Nike swoosh right here on the side. We have the crocodile embossed print leather patch right here on the eyelet area, and that same like crocodile print is seen again on the dark gray mudguard of the shoe all around here. The lighter shade of gray that the swoosh is on actually uses a suede material, a light gray suede material, and you guys can even see there's like these little bars that go through, and it's pretty cool because on the upper part, like on the synthetic part of the shoe, it actually has lines here which cut through this little 3M stripe. This 3M stripe is really cool, really iconic for the Air Max 98, and you guys will see on the on feet that it looks really dope, and yeah, it's just something that really separates this shoe compared to other Air Max sneakers. Now that light gray suede hit also continues along the toe cap area right here with another Nike mini swoosh, and then if you look real closely, the actual air unit of this is actually the same air unit or midsole that they use on these sneakers right here, the Air Max 97s. Taking a look at the back of the sneaker, we have some air branding on top of that gray suede. We have the pull tab as well with a 3M reflective hit, and then taking a look at the tongue, we have the Nike Air Max branding right there that's stitched in on top of the gray suede. Now flipping the shoe around to the other side, you have more hits. You have more hits of the gray suede going on the inside panel. Really nice touch. Here's a look at the outsole of the sneaker. Solid traction all around, and there's a good amount of like cushioning and padding on the ankle part right here, so it really gives you a nice secure locked in feel. Wearability wise, this sneaker is great for daily wear. Just looking at the colorway, this kind of colorway is going to go with pretty much every single outfit that you can wear, and on top of that, because of its nice thick air unit on the midsole, you're going to get a comfortable ride or comfortable feeling as you wear this all day long. This is a sneaker that you can wear and stand on your feet all day long. It's going to be good for work if you're working retail or you're working at like a fast food place or something like that, and if you even wanted to use these as like a gym shoe or as a running shoe, you could do that as well. Now I find that the toe box area right here feels quite stiff. Now in terms of sizing, I would recommend going your true size in the Nike Air Max 98. These fit true to size like most Air Max sneakers or most Nike Nike sneakers for that matter, and you could get away with going half a size up. I feel like if I went half a size up on these, I would be able to avoid that hard toe cap region hurting my toes a little bit, but it's not that big of a deal. You do get used to it pretty quickly. So there you guys go. If you made it to the very end of the video, let me know in the comment section down below by telling me what you think about the Air Max 98 Anthracite SE. And of course, smash that thumbs up button down below. It lets me know you guys are enjoying the content, and we're trying to get this channel monetizable so I can make some money off of it, because I'm paying editors to edit these videos and I'm not making any money from this channel. So I hope you guys are enjoying the content, and yeah, I appreciate each and every one of your guys' support. It means a lot to me. With that said, you guys can expect daily reviews, so make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, hit that red button down below, follow the Instagram as well. It's at SneakerTalk365, and if you use the hashtag SneakerTalk365, I'll feature you guys in the upcoming videos on the outro, intro, or even on the Instagram page itself. So with that said, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching and happy holidays. Peace.